Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a highly requested video of my green beans. So first we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'll be using the coconut avocado oil, followed by 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and a pack of frozen green beans. You can use fresh green beans as well. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, and as you guys can see, Autumn says hello. 1/4 cups of water, and now it's time to season. So 1 tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, season all, and I'm also going to be adding this non-salt seasoning, and some Montreal steak seasoning. I am adding the Montreal steak seasoning because it gives it a nice smokiness to my green beans. So you're going to let your green beans cook for 5 to 8 minutes. You do not want them to be too soft, but you want them to be just right. And there you guys go. My green beans turned out with a nice crispiness and nicely seasoned. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more videos. Okay, bye.